Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the case type and the exact battery model. This determines tools and procedure. Lay the watch face down on a soft towel so you avoid scratches, then remove any strap if it blocks access. Use the appropriate opener, case knife for snapbacks, case wrench for screwbacks, and apply steady pressure. Once the back pops or unscrews, make sure to note gasket placement and how the movement sits. These details matter when reassembling. You now expose the movement and any retaining clip. Gently unclip using plastic or non-magnetic tweezers so you don't damage the contact springs. Once the cell is visible, observe and photograph its orientation and polarity so you can replicate it exactly. Press the replacement battery into place using a plastic tool, ensuring it seats flat and the retaining clip snaps back without bending contacts. Once installed, give the crown a light turn to see if the movement restarts. This confirms. You finish by inspecting the gasket and replacing it or applying a thin film of silicone grease to maintain water resistance. Then carefully reseal the case. Screw down evenly or press snapbacks with uniform pressure. Set the time and monitor functionality for a day or two to ensure accuracy and complication operation. If the watch does not start, make sure the battery is seated and polarity is correct. Reseat contact springs gently, and try a fresh known good cell. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.